Statistics questions appear in GRE Quant and within data interpretation question sets. The key concepts are mean, weighted average, median, equally spaced sets, standard deviation, and normal distribution. The most tested and most commonly wrong concept is weighted average. Students' average group means without accounting for group sizes and consistently produce wrong answers. This lesson covers every statistics concept systematically. Here is the weighted average error in its standard form. Class A has 20 students with average score 80. Class B has 30 students with average score 70. Students add 80 and 70 and divide by 2 to get 75. The correct answer is 74. Why? Class B has more students and pulls the combined average toward its own mean of 70. Larger groups have greater influence. The correct method: multiply each mean by its group size, sum the products, divide by total students. 3,700 divided by 50 equals 74. 3 or more statistics questions appear in GRE Quant and data interpretation combined. Equally spaced sets are the GRE efficiency tool. When values are evenly spaced, the mean equals the median equals the average of the first and last terms, and the sum equals the mean times the count. Recognizing equally spaced sets eliminates the need to add all values. Consecutive integers from 4 to 40. Mean is 22, count is 10, sum is 220 without any addition. Arithmetic mean: sum of all values divided by the count. To find a missing value given the mean, total sum equals mean times count. Subtract the sum of known values to find the missing one. Adding a value equal to the current mean does not change the mean. Adding a value above the mean increases it. Adding a value below the mean decreases it. These relationships appear in medium difficulty statistics questions where GRE asks how the mean changes when a value is added or removed. Weighted average requires weighting each value by its frequency or group size before averaging. Multiply each value by its weight, sum all the products, divide by the total weight. For two classes, 20 students times 80 equals 1,600. 30 students times 70 equals 2,100. Sum is 3,700. Total students is 50. Combined average is 74. This applies whenever groups have different sizes, departments, age groups, or any categorized data. Always check whether groups are equal before averaging means. Median is the middle value of an ordered set. For an odd count, it is the single middle value. For an even count, it is the average of the two middle values. Equally spaced sets shortcut. In any set where values are spaced equally, the mean equals the median equals the average of the first and last values. Consecutive integers, even integers, and multiples of any number are all equally spaced. This shortcut eliminates all the individual additions for any equally spaced range. Standard deviation measures how spread out the data is from the mean. GRE does not ask you to calculate SD. It asks you to compare SDs or determine how SD changes when values are added or removed. Adding values near the mean decreases SD. Adding extreme values increases SD. If all values in a set are increased by the same constant, SD does not change. The spread relative to the mean stays the same. Normal distribution, symmetric bell curve. 68% within 1 SD, 95 within 2, 99.7 within 3. Your statistics checklist: weighted average multiplies each value by its weight before dividing. Equally spaced: mean equals median equals first plus last over 2. SD measures spread. Adding near mean values decreases it. Normal distribution 68-95-99.7 rule. To find missing value given mean, total equals mean times count. Next lesson, Statistics Part 2, Box Plots, Frequency Distributions, and Quartiles. Subscribe for Monday. Comment your target score below.